Hello, I'm going to start, I'm going to solve here quest 5. We'll see how long it takes me of Everybody Codes 2025 challenge. Before we begin, I have here, right, I forgot the package main. Package main. I have here my boilerplate for part 1. And right, let's go ahead, let's open up quest 5 and see where we are. Quest 5, you arrive at a garrison. Sword fighting, thousands of tents. Next day, you stroll. Captain approaches you. Hello, friends. Sir Mandelbrot tells you. It's a Stackdray Sanctuary. Few matters to attend that require a sharp mind. Details, go to the armorer. You will find him in the middle of the square. Chest. Find the armor, copying the sword numbers on the sword sales into a book. Meaning of the numbers. Each sword is marked with the identifier followed by numbers that allow to determine its quality. But it is a simplified representation of the structure called a fishbone. You need to build a fishbone from the list and combine the digits written on the spine into a single number. Five, 8, 9, 7. Okay. Each segment can have one or none number on the left. One or none number on the right side. Start to first list placed in the first segment. Next. Less than the one on the spine segment. First element from the list should be placed as the first segment of the spine. Less than one on the spine segment and the left segment. Left. Greater than places on the right. Okay. 8. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so we have these segments, we have the left and the right, and okay, what is this 58 though? Okay, let us okay. Okay, so we have this number in the beginning, which I guess we just ignore. I guess that's a sword number, and some other time we'll have more. I'm not entirely sure. Strings.split spexter, comma, no, colon, make 804 underscore comma range strings dot split monster comma I'm just going to go 10 num_stir nums.append num. Okay. Now, for the spine, yeah. Fish. If val becomes fish append I don't know if that's necessary. I'd like to answer is nope. Okay. Okay, so that will be, so it's a new variable each time through the loop. Then otherwise I start at the top and I go all the way down until otherwise row pointer fish equals if fish bracket if val less than, okay, fish row idx dot spine and fish left nil x is equal to flying fish, then we append it. Otherwise we do nothing, and then f row in range fish print okay, then okay, go run quest 5. Let's see if that works. Yay! The correct value immediately. Differ by finding the best and weakest sword. Okay, so first off, are these all single digits? They are all single digits. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to take everything from here to here and extract it. And you say you give me numster and I give you back fish. Okay. Parse fish. Okay, and then what I do here, so that's input 2, and I do for scanner.scan. Then fish val. For thing in spine, fish row range fish val times equals 10 fish row fish val plus equals fish row dot spine. Okay, and then we have max fish val 0 min fish val. How many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You know what? I'm just gonna do unit 64. Math dot max unit 64. Right. Okay, for max fish val, max of fish val, max fish val, min fish val equals min of fish val okay, what is that? Okay. Dot print p2 max fish val min fish val. Okay. Yay. Okay. Just for consistency. Okay, now what is this third part? Without delay. The rules for determining which of the two swords is better. If two swords have different qualities, a higher quality score means a better sword. Three levels. Concatenating the digits that level from left to right. Same quality. Sort all the swords from the best to weakest and provide to calculate the the checksum, you need to multiply the sort identifiers by their position on the sorted list, starting from 1, and sum the resulting values. Okay, and then let me just look at this. Okay. Okay, so now what I have to watch for is that there might be sorts with identical values here. Okay. Right, so this is going to be a little bit longer, and yeah, I'm probably just going to get to Quest 5 in this video, because I don't have enough time. Okay, so I am going to, instead of having a maximum file and a min file, I'm going to have a okay, so just so I'm clear, this is all single digits. I don't have to worry about concatenating something with multiple digits, do I? Nope, all single digits, good. Input 3, and then I'm going to make, so fishes make fish row. Oh, shoot. Type fish sword struct ID okay, and actually what we could do is we could just have the list of comparison values, and that would be, would that be easier? Yes, Okay, comparison values. Okay, so source is that, and what do we have? We have deliberately what do I say? uint64 for ID? Yeah. Maybe we're not going to be dealing with uint64s, but whatever. uint64 parse int uint of spec bits 0, 10, 64. Then fish. Okay, fish row is that. Then how about fish row dot spine. If fish row dot left row 10 times yeah, 10 times star fish row dot left. If fish row dot right P arval source fish fish, spine vowel, okay, then slices dot higher identifier. Okay, so these are from best to worst. Best to weakest. On higher identifier is best. So we need to sort backwards. Sort func. Okay, swords. Func. Sword int. Okay, so negative number when A is less than B. Okay, so if A goes first, I should return negative. So at the very end, as A goes first, so higher ID is better, so I would return B dot ID minus okay, and the higher the better. So if A dot spine vowel, right, and they'll always have. Okay, so if A dot spine vowel, return the next one. Else if B dot spine vowel, A dot spine vowel, for X range A dot return -1. then calculate the checksum. Checksum 0, 4 x range swords unit ID x no checksum plus equals unit 64 times sort.id. Print line P3 colon checksum. Okay, I don't know if that will work. There are enough moving parts here that I kind of doubt it, but let's just try that and see what works. See if it works. Oh! First time. Okay. Well, yeah. Okay, that was interesting. But we've now worked on this for long enough to make a video. So I guess Quest 6 will have to be in a separate video, and I guess I'll be doing single quest videos for the rest of the Everybody Codes 2025 event. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will get my I should make sure I get commit everything. Push origin head. Okay, everything is all pushed, and you can read the code there if you want. Meantime, I'll put up cards for everything in this challenge, and also for my list of every list I have of Everybody Codes solutions. Thank you for watching.